gik matwag gi jopiny motelo ne yiero matich ariyo. Johera mag Azimio nomolo karomgi ka gin kod riyo mar winjo twak mogik mar jotelo. Odinga nobedo kod ote makende ne jopiny kaachiel gi jotelo wetene kwacho ni siasa ok onego bed gino mar kelo koko kata akwede.
I shook the hand of Mr. Daniel Torotich Arap Moi in March 2002, or President Mwai Kibaki in February 2008, and of my brother President Uhuru Kenyatta in March 2018. And at this stage, I want to pay tribute to President Uhuru Kenyatta for showing statesmanship and embracing dialogue and agreeing to work together for the betterment of our country. I want to assure Kenyans that we will continue with this handshake doctrine, the doctrine of unclenching the fist for the sake of Kenya. I will shake the hand of my rivals and pay the political price if I have to. I will shake their hand if I win, and I will shake their hand if I don't.
Odinga gi jalupne Mikai Martha Karua nowero siasa mag kwe ka giwacho ni onge tiende timo siasa mapogo ganda.
We are soon entering Canaan, and there are few rules we will have to observe. In Canaan, we must embrace reconciliation. We cannot get to Canaan, a divided nation that is half bitter and half happy. In my government, there will be no revenge. I pledge to be the president of all.
Kinara wangu Raila Amolo Odinga ni mzalendo, amepigania nchi yetu miaka yake yote. Ni mtu amepigania ukombozi wa pili na akasaidia kuleta katiba mpya.
Kabende ne gijiwo oganda ni tich ariyo jumanyien gin kod thuolo mar yiero jotelo manyalo chwalo negi dongruok ka gisingo tieko mibadhi mapacho ka.
The Auditor General tells us that 800 billion shillings is stolen every year through corruption. 800 billion shillings is twice the economy of two of our neighbors in the East African community. Who do you feel is best qualified to dismantle this cartel of thieves?
Mtu amepigania ukombozi wa pili na akasaidia kuleta katiba mpya. Hiyo wakati tulikuwa tunapigania katiba mpya, wale wapinzani wetu walikuwa wanapinga. Tukipigania demokrasia walikuwa wanapinga.
Kweth mar Azimio makoro geto idombulu maromo milion 15 yiero matich ariyo nolero ni sirikal mar Azimio biro neno ni oganda duto yudo fungruok tok ndalo manok ka gikawo tend piny Kenya.
Jumanne tunaenda kuamua nani atakuwa naibu wa rais wa Kenya. Namna hiyo,
if there's somebody that we've wrong, if there's somebody we have wrong in the campaigns, tunaomba msamaha. If there's somebody we have wrong in the campaign, tunaomba msamaha. We are going through these elections with clean heart na Mungu ametusamea.
Kata kamano, gai mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nochiwo ote makende duol mochung'ne yiero thuru ka IEBC.
Dunia nzima inaangazia Kenya, Afrika Mashariki kupitia kwa ndugu yangu Kikwete, wako tayari waangalie vile IEBC watafanya jukumu lao. African Union, European Union, dunia nzima inaangazia. The time my brother Raila Odinga is now.
Bankweth mar Azimio la umoja motele kod Raila Amolo Odinga kod jalupne Mikai Martha Karua luoro Kenya kate ka giwuotho e kaunti 47. Odinga koro otieko kisera mare alak makasarani kaen kod mojing'o motegno ni tich ariyo en modhi bedo jaloch. Kata kamano teko kaachiel kod yiero koro dong' japiny ma en jalut ombulu. Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Kasarani, Nairobi County.